Hello fans, welcome back to JK Fidelity Tech. Today we are discussing one issue on the switch. What is the first? We need to see the model of the switch. Look at the model of the switch here. So this is the model of the switch. The switch is c3750x, and it is PoE switch. You can say that it's PoE switch. So what's actually the problem of the switch? The problem of this switch is, let me plug it so that you're gonna see it. I've plugged it. You can see the light, these three lights, 1 2 3 4. This is an reddish orange light. This light is abnormal. So when you see this kind of a light, and when you leave it like this, it stays for a long time. It's not gonna live here. So what are you going to do to solve this problem? What you're going to do is you have to remove the problem of the switches from the circuit board that controls this light you're seeing here. Either the circuit board has problem, or maybe there's a partial contact, that the connection is loose. So in this case, the connection is I've actually opened it before. I just remembered I need to let my fans know about it as well. You see, I've talked around 2 minutes now, but the light is still there. There's no movement, just talk on these three lights. So what are you going to do? You need to first remove the power. I have to open this. So there you go. The connector is not connected very well. You can see there was loose connection. So that is it. That was loose. Immediately I lift this thing up, thing just went its separate ways, which is not normal. At least before this cable need to come off from here, I need to at least to disengage this first. This is the tie, which is the hook. So what are you going to do to fix the problem? You need to put it back properly. You need to put it back properly. Put it. You can keep it this way and put it like this. This was actually the problem of the switch. You know, I already opened it. I saw the problem. I already opened it. I saw there's loose connection. So I decided to show my finds. So I've connected the what's it called, the cable, the connector. So let me plug the power again. You're gonna see the difference. There was three lights stuck on for a long time. This one is gonna flash this time around and start blinking on one place. You see? Now it start blinking here. See, that's the difference. This is how it should be. It only flash all these 6 lights. some 8 light, it depends on the configuration of the board, then it will start blinking only this one. But when it's stuck on 3 light or 4 light, just know that this either the circuit, this light channel circuit board has problem, or there's a loose contact. So only 2 things you can do: to change it, or if the contact is loose, you have to put it back firmly and properly inside. So thank you, see you on the next video.